Looks like we might have found something. Looks like we might have found a server that's a little busy, huh?
I'm a charger.
Yeah. I just follow me. We're gonna take care of something.
And we'll do a shout out to the players again. Let's get out of the bed here.
Oh, sorry.
Coloca um ponto no final, coloca uma vírgula, daí amor, quero chupar.
He's not worth it. He's too far away.
Coloca uma vírgula.
Let's go bring his shit to the mod.
Yeah, this way.
So shout out to the players. He looks like I got clans in here. All right.
Quero chupar minha buceta.
I'm talking about
Hi,
Lucky.
DJ.
Yeah. Oh, you guys are going that way.
Yeah, it's alright.
Pita mesmo.
I've got 4 clan members in here. This will be nice.
Ele não tá atrás de mim, já tinha vindo, né? Ah, é pra mim levar esse carro em algum lugar, porque apareceu pra mim dispensar a polícia. Não, mas eu vou ganhar dinheiro, não ganha? Alô, Santos. Onde que tá?
I guess we'll go down and
Esse
hunt.
cara vai saber, né, que esse carro aqui é pra mim.
I don't know what he's saying, but
It's black.
people who know how to speak that will know who that is, what he's saying.
É aqui que eu vou ter que levar, né?
Sure was a nice car.
Alright, loss prevention. Full coverage.
I wish they would have had dual exhaust on both sides.
Hold back, folks, and enjoy the ride.
What fuel tank do you have? I have the second fuel tank on. I got it has the start gauge on it and the gas gauge and all that shit.
See, I don't know these guys that are talking are clan members or not.
This one you can't really, well, let's see what little accessories I guess.
Let's go and take a look, see if we can find our clan members.
Well, we're gonna have to spend a lot of money
One
today
right
on
here.
bulletproof tires.
So that guy that's talking is definitely a clan
You're
member.
gonna want bulletproof tires, that's for sure.
So we're going to go that direction and pay him a visit. But first we're going to stop and do a quick Son of Arkeys change.
This bike can't really mod too much.
Son
Oh,
of
dude, wait till you guys see
Arkeys
the color of my
here.
bike.
We're going to want to switch our clothes, our top at least, with a jacket. Let's see here.
Only a like it. Yeah, look at the color of this thing.
Crew emblem. We need to get the one where it goes on the back. Dominant Jack.
You gotta see this, dude, when the light hits it.
That's the one right there.
Oh, that looks good.
This one puts the whole large emblem right on the back, so they know who I am. Alright, change of clothes look good. Now we're going to hop back on our ride
Bye. Enjoy your purchase.
and go meet up with the clan member.
You like the color of that?
Hopefully you'll still be there by the time we get there.
It's a black, dude. It's a black with a red Pro S on.
That should happen to
Nice.
us there.
God, dude, that thing's beautiful. I like how the fucking sun hits it. It just makes it. You can see the black in it.
Yeah, that's the right path.
Kind of, well, I'm just gonna, can I hop on it? It's a bagger. Where do you get the baggers at, I wonder? Yeah, well, next time I see one, I'm gonna pick one up. Yeah, and then I'll sell this one. Because you can't really mod this one. It's really pretty basic.
Pretty badass, though.
Looks like our crew member might be right up over here.
But this is a pretty nice. This is a pretty nice ride, though. I just put about $60,000-$70,000 in it.
Don't worry, you have to.
All right, we got any other crew members out there?
You got one right here, Holy Dragon 315. I'm actually heading to your position right now.
Holy drink, and you mean holy shit? We got somebody here. All right.
Looks like you're up on that. You're up top on the highway, are you?
No,
we're just by the custom shop.
Yeah, that's where I'm at right now, right down here by the custom shop. Yeah, you're on the bridge up top. That's where you're at. Okay, I can get up there, not a problem.
All right.
Well, face planting there.
Where the hell you go?
I'm coming. I went up here on the bridge where you guys were. I kind of ramped it, you know.
Oh, dude, that's no Harley.
You gotta get a Harley? What the hell?
I got one back at my place.
What the heck is that?
The Akuma.
Oh my god. That's a nice rocket.
Yeah. If you want, I can go back and switch to my Hexer if you want.
Yeah, we'll follow you.
Yeah. Are you Asian?
Asian, no.
Oh, okay.
American.
Just checking. Well, Dragon, Cross Dragon, I was just double checking.
Yeah.
That's you need your jacket on, dude, and everything.
Yep. Exactly.
There you go.
And heading to the $400,000 apartment. That's the one I've got.
Oh boy.
Oh, you can't catch up? Is that what's going on? It's about time I find a session with plenty of crew members in it. I was in a session with a crew member, 2 days ago. Wow, that killed me. 2 days ago, and he shot me to death and blew me up, and I'm like, okay, what's going on here? I thought there was rules in the clan, you couldn't do that to your own clan members, but apparently there's not. Great, my bike is completely gone. I'm just right up here at this apartment. Oh man. I guess loading both the discs was a bad idea. Because it kind of glitched. I was coming up over the hill and all of a sudden a car appeared out of nowhere, so I ended up...
Who's riding bitch, yo? Who are these guys?
I don't know.
Who are these guys? Who are these motherfucking Asian faggots? Fuck out of here, right burners.